Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We are now on lesson 9, page 16 of our lessons. This is a lesson that is teaching us how dummatayn works. These are two dummahs on top of letters, and they make a sound. Sound. So we are here. Bun, tun, thun, jun, hun, khun, dun, dhun, run, zun, sun, shun, sun, dun, tun, dhun, un, ghun, fun, qun, kun, lun, mun, nun, wun, hun, yun. Now for the exercises. Sururun, udhunun, kutubun, rusulun, rajulun, this is actually judadun, ahadun, qasamun, basharun, sinatun, maradun, harajun, la'ibun. These are really squeezed together, hard to see which one would have been first. Hurumun, waladun.